Go. Bring, bring.
What's up, YouTube? Yeah, because you're going on YouTube.
Oh, you're a jerk.
So the drummer of our band is going to... there's a hearing test on YouTube where like you hear like high-pitched noises, and the sound that you can't hear, that determines like how good your hearing is. He didn't wear earplugs this session because he's nuts. Did you?
Yeah.
So did I. So we're going to give you the hearing test. So you got to look at James Bond over there. Any poster, whatever you're choosing, there's you have GoldenEye, The World's Not Enough, View to a Kill, Goldfinger Thunderball.
All of this important details.
Dr. No. You know, you can look at any of those. So look at all those. And we're going to give you the hearing test. And I'll turn it up loud.
Well,
What?
at least tell them that we just got done jamming for 40 minutes straight.
It felt like 10 minutes, but looking at the clock, it was 40 minutes of like hard jamming. Peanut butter and jamming. All right, are you ready? So look at Pierce Brosnan or Roger Moore or Sean
I'm
Connery.
gonna get to sit down. You're an asshole.
Or you can look at Dave Grohl, the drummer of a good band like Nirvana.
Oh yeah, I do have a Nirvana poster.
Yeah.
But
Tucked
Okay.
away in the bottom.
all right, ready?
All right.
I'm starting
my
this off.
ears are still ringing, so we stopped 15 minutes
Ready?
ago. All right.
10, 9, 1. I'm really scared because I don't hear anything.
Did it start yet?
Shh. Do you hear anything? I don't hear anything. Do you hear anything? I don't hear anything. The speakers are on. What? It's still going.
Is it
We're supposed to be hearing something right now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
we're
it could
all
be. It could be
screwed.
really soft though.
Oh, it's starting really low. Yeah, you can hear it. Okay, let me turn it up louder. There we go. Okay. It's 5 minutes long. Okay. Shh.
All right. I hear.
So raise
that.
your hand when you don't hear anything.
I hear it. It sounds like Marty McFly's amp.
Whoa, it's getting louder.
Yeah, you can probably gotta pop your speakers.
I'm turning it down.
I still hear it. Still hear it.
It's gonna blow.
Still hear. I'm waiting for glass to start shattering.
Yeah.
This is uncomfortable. I don't like this. Give me a
Just
very.
gonna play the brown noise.
We're only 1/5 of the way through it, so
This is making my butt twitchy. I don't like this.
this is
I
hurting.
really don't like this.
Ow.
Okay, yeah, I can hear that just fine.
Right, it's getting high now. Okay, all right, ready?
Ah, this is like hurting my brain.
Well, at least you can hear it.
Okay, still here.
Ow!
Oh yeah. That's
Okay.
Not pleasant.
Ow! I don't want to hear it anymore.
No, you're the one who wanted to do this. We're finishing it.
All right, try and sing this high.
It's like making me have to pee now.
Somebody's phone's going.
My phone.
Yeah.
It's Dennis. Hold on, I'll call him back. Okay. All right, get ready. It's getting really high now. Raise your hand when you can't hear anymore.
Oh my god.
Holy
this
crap.
Is so painful.
My head is gonna
How
explode.
far is this?
This is like scanners, man. We're gonna die.
We're only halfway through.
Ah.
Oh jeez.
This is god awful. Oh.
I'm dead.
Help me, George. Help me. Ah.
This can't be good for our hearing.
This is worse
It's
than
a- it's just a
40-minute
test.
Jam session.
I think it's Dennis.
It is. Just ignore it. Ignore it. We're doing something right now. All right, get ready. It's about that point. Derek, be happy you can hear this at least, right?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. It's starting to grow faint. Ow, never mind.
Ah. Okay. It's really making me have to pee. Is that weird? That's not weird, is it?
Just pee, man. Just
Okay.
do it. Ow! Ow!
Alright, I'm better now.
Oh my gosh.
John,
This is-
I'm never gonna forgive you for this.
This is all from a stupid YouTube video. Alright, we're good. I can still hear it. Ow!
Still hear it. Still hear it.
You can look. I don't think that affects it. It's all about hearing, not sight.
I'm not even gonna look at it. I don't care to. Is this hurting?
Can you hear? I guess it's the same thing if you can hear it.
Hurting anyone else's jaw.
It's hurting my. Oh! Holy crap, man!
Hearing.
Oh, it really hurts.
Why are we sitting right next to this?
Shh. This is really good that we made this far, though. Wait, it's growing faint. It's like it's so faint to me.
I hear it.
Still
I
hear it.
barely hear it though. No, it's not a note
You
anymore.
only have it turned up halfway. Oh,
It's gone. It's gone for me.
it's still
Yeah.
faintly
It's
there.
it's completely gone.
Gone. That's it.
Yeah.
What do we
Ryan?
get? 18.
All right, we got 5 minutes out of 5. 5 minutes out of 5 minutes and 12 seconds. That's not bad.
Wait, and it just stopped.
No, I just stopped it.
Pause it.
Yeah.
Oh. Let's see what it says. Hearing test. I guess we made it. We made it.
Yeah, we made it.
All right, I'll post the link in the description. 2 million views. 2 million. 2 million people had to go through this.
Oh, jeez. This smells.
Yeah, the worst part is my ears are still.
Wait, there's
ringing
comments.
from
They're
almost
saying
jamming.
one person got to 19 kHz. It gets kilohertz. Holy no, he's joking. That's not very far.
Isn't that where we left off?
Oh, never mind. Wait, it leaves off at 15. Doesn't make any sense. I don't know. But we made it to the end, so we're good.
Okay.
Hearing's functional.
I guess you're good.
Kinda.
But if you
I
keep this
guess.
up, in a few years, you'll be deaf. I don't know,
I'll
actually.
be both.
We'll just do this test after every jam session.
Oh
But-
no.
Yes.
You're the meanest.
And we'll cover this song somehow.
Sorry, we missed
Okay.
your call.
Thanks for watching.
Love you.
Do it yourself.
So, we were all taking